All right, question 1.1, we are supposed to solve for x, and 1.1.1, we have a quadratic equation. And so we have x squared plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. So here we are supposed to solve for x, and we will use one of the three methods of solving for x when we have a quadratic equation. So this method we will use is factorizing, and we will have two factor brackets equal to 0. Here we will have an x, also an x here. Then we have to find the factors of 6. Factors of 6, we have 1 and 6, we have 2 and 3. So with these factors, we have to use a pair, which when multiplied, it has to give us an answer of -6, but also give us an answer of a +5, which is the coefficient of this x. So here I think we can use this pair, but the one has to be negative, because -1 multiplied by 6 is equal to a -6, and also -1 plus 6 is also equal to a +5. So that means we'll have a -1 here, and also the +6 or +6 here. And then we will have x minus 1 equal to 0, or x plus 6 equal to 0. And then here we have to solve for x. And how do we do that? We add 1, and we also add 1 on the right hand side. This will be equal to 0. X will be equal to 0 plus 1, that is a +1. Or on this side as well, we have to solve for x, and to solve for x, we have to take the +6 from the left hand side to the right hand side. We do that by subtracting 6. Also, when we subtract on this side, we also have to subtract here as well, the right hand side. And this will be equal to 0. X will be equal to a 0 minus 6, that is a -6. And that is how we solve for x on this quadratic equation, by factorizing, of course. So yeah, we have x equal to a +1, or x equal to a -6. All right, up next we have 1.1.2.